Hello, my friends. Good morning. Merry Christmas. And it's been a long time we have done this. Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Ah, it took it took me a lot of time to get back on track, but mm, we made a good progress if we compare it with the last time. Mm, if we compare it in the past few live streams, um, we have made a good progress. And I demoed this product to a few of my friends, and they liked it, and they said that it looks like a really professional product. It is. Um, so yeah, that's why if you have seen my last live stream, um, we have put a lot of efforts on mm, doing the login screen, the authentication screen, because it just helps. Uh, wait, I'll just quickly log out from here. So yes, we'll be doing the landing page as well. We'll do that. Mm, but the whole vibe and look of the website of the web app helps users to think that is this a good product or not. And um, you can see that it's pretty neat, looks like a professional website. And when the user signs in, by default, they will see this page, Explore Ideas, which again is very neat, looks professional, and user is able to uh, train. So here they'll see the first time they'll see train the new model, which then the user will be redirected to this page to train their new avatar. So overall, it looks really professional. Mm, let's see. Um, let's see what we can do next, so that um, we are able to just lock down things. Mm, so that we are just able to lock down things, and we'll see what's next. Last time I remember we fixed was this um, select avatar, this generation text box. It was like now the whole screen is scrolling with it. The whole screen is scrolling with it, which looks good to me now. Mm, okay, let's see. Let's see what do we want to do next. This this whole page is working fine. I know we need to have an option where someone if clicks on this, they should have a prompt written here for this pose. But I am currently thinking of doing this later because I want to come up with a good photo. So like these are the placeholders. These are good, but I want to come up with uh, new photos and. Yeah, just I was wanted to come up with new photos with the great prompts. So I'll generate those photos inside this product only. Mm. Then I'll use those as the placeholders. Okay, so now if we go to this, everything, all of this looks good. This isn't working. I don't know why. Like the AI is doing its own thing, sometimes creating a blur background, sometimes not. But let's say if we do this. Let's try it one more time. Sitting and working joy, joyfully. Let's see. Background blur, professional detail enhancement. Okay, while it will do its thing, let's see what else we can do. Um, Yes, I remember we last time we worked on this authentication screen. It took us a lot of time to get to what we wanted to build. That's fine. Mm, what we can do next? I'm I want to just keep all of it as it is. Guide, I'll just keep as is because eventually we'll have a Mintify style page where we'll have the guides, the documentation. I'm willing to keep it as is. Mm, and uh, yeah, the background is blur. Okay, let's change it back. Like, let's see. Do we see the difference in photos? So I just want to keep it as is. Let's not change it for now. AI Photoshop Studio, create professional photo shoots with AI. Okay. So I'll just start writing down what do we need to do next. Uh, okay. Mhm. We want to add new photos to explore ideas. I don't click off it. Adds a prompt, a text box above. This is just to get things started so the user, when they come for the first time, they don't have to think much. So they can just click on any of the image and can get things going. We can even have some like more buttons here, like a random prompt generator here also in future, maybe if we want. Yeah, let's have it. Random prompt generator button for text box. Yeah, let's just write it down. Whatever we are thinking, let's just write it down so that it's easier to go back. Okay, awesome. Let's see. So here it looks blur. It is blur. It is blur. Here it's blur too. Yeah, yeah, it's blur. It's blurs too. Is it blur? Yeah, it is blur. So I think this isn't working, and I'm not worried a lot about it. I'll just write it down. I think I'm writing, I think, because I still want to test it properly. I think background blur filter is not working properly. Okay. And then, okay, one thing I've noticed is let's quickly go to the edge functions. Uh, enhance prompt, lucky prompts. Okay. What I figured out is AI is whenever I'm clicking on I'm feeling lucky, um, I'm always getting the similar images, like one in the beach, one in the office, one on the wall, getting always getting the similar images. But what I want to do is I don't want the similar images. I want uh, random poses, random images. And I think the culprit here is the master prompt that we have given. So we would need to fix that as well. Mm. If we go through this, analyze this person in the image and generate 10 diverse professional photo shoot prompts. Each prompt must be unique and vary across all of these dimensions. So here we have given these dimensions, which is the culprit. It says that pose sitting, standing, walking, leaning on a wall. We always see one image leaning on the wall, arms crossed, hands in pockets. So we always see these images looking over shoulder. Yeah, we always get these images, and I'll show you right now as well while we are generating images for this. You will see that we'll see a pattern all the time. We don't really want to have a pattern while generating images, specifically in I am feeling lucky. And then modern office, cozy coffee shop, outdoor, urban street, lush green park, minimal studio, libraries. We always see these photos, library, rooftop with city view, beach at sunset. So we always see this. I'll show you right now as well. Clothing, lightning. So what I want to do is I don't want to uh, explain it in this way to the AI. I want AI to think creatively, think of different. Every time it will give me different. So that will help me to generate. So that let's say if a user comes to the app, it hits. Uh, I'm feeling lucky 2 3 times. So then what? They'll get the similar images. Then they'll do it for 5 7 times. They'll get the similar images. This is not what we really want. Mm, And let's see. Sorry. Okay. So these are we generated the image for her. Let's just go to it. Okay. I think 44A 210. Okay. Mm, Okay. Um. So if we see at the photos, you will see one leaning on the wall, one walking on the street, hands crossed. One should be arms crossed to arms crossed with the city view here, sitting in the park. So I'm liking the images being generated, but I don't want the similarity every single time. That's the problem. In the library, on the beach, maybe something. Again, this look elegantly looking over her shoulder. So we mentioned here looking over shoulder. So I mean, women leaning forward to marble countertop. So yeah, we don't really want this to happen. We want again it will be a test process only. Let's say if we ask AI to generate fully random professional photo shoot, we might not even like it. We might have to stick with this, but it's worth it to try with a different master prompt. And with that being said, I will write it down here. And most probably I'll ask my wife to do it because she's really good at writing system prompts. So I'll just take her help here and we'll share the prompt she generated if she'll get some time to do it. Okay, so uh, change the master prompt for lucky generation. Perfect. We have that in place now. And yeah, good. Mm, What else you want to do? I think next would be apart from this, next would be to integrate credit-based system payment gateway. And we really need to come up with the pricing of how much and uh, how much we will be mm, charging for this. Okay. I'll have a separate checklist for that because I think this will be the priority before doing the above stuff. Uh, Integrate payment gateway and credit-based system for photo generation. Yeah, and I want to make sure that uh, training avatar takes up more credits. And we'll do this analysis, how much we are paying and all that stuff. Before that, I really want to go and quickly see how much we are really paying because I've never got to know how much we are really paying for the. Mm, okay, we are in how much we are really paying for the training. I know how much we are paying for the productions. It's approximately 0.05, 0.2 per image. I think I 0.02. 0.05 is when we are generating three images. Yeah. But in the training, no training, master filter, clear. Okay. Oops, wanted to go training. Huh? Why it's taking me to productions? Okay, that's fine. Okay. So these are all the models we have trained uh, on their GPUs. Running total duration. How much it cost? Okay, there it is. Which costs 0.0122 per second. Yeah, it would be worthwhile to go through this documentation once again. This README. It will be worthwhile. Okay, so I'll just write it down here. Go through. Okay, I'll just write it down here. Go through this just in case. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Mm, okay. Oh, so it's 0.122 per second, right? And let's quickly go and see how much time we generally spend on the trainings. Uh, Running versus total duration. I think running should be they should be they should be charging for running and uh, not the whole time. But I'll quickly go here. I'll just take the average of this. What is the average of running time in this image? I want to really 80.5 second, 70. Make sure to exclude outliers from the average. Yeah. think if we just exclude outliers, then it should not have like the total. It should not include it in the total as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so there are like 14 here. Uh, okay, 93 and 104 second. That's fine. Okay, most of the values falls between this and these two are the outliers. Okay, 12. Why 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So 98.67 seconds. Now let's just multiply it with this. Oops. 98.67. Okay. So approximately 1.5 to $2. I'll just write it down. Avatar training post analysis. Uh, Average is 98.67 seconds with uh, okay, and okay, perfect. Mm, yeah, looks good. We'll do the analysis. Let me come back. Uh, okay, I can get rid of it. Okay, let's see. I think next then we need to do the landing page. I think that should be it. Now we really need to think what we want to do first. Integrate the payment gateway or the landing page. The payment gateway or the landing page. The payment gateway or the landing page. Okay. And we need to create a plan also, how and where we are going to generate this. Um, okay, that's fine. Um, I think I just need to go. I'll quickly close this live stream and we'll start it again. Um, I'll just close and start it again.